Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Contractionary monetary policy changes everything for a nation's financial accounts. We will quickly analyze interest rates to find the correct impact on international capital flows. First, when a central bank implements contractionary monetary policy, it reduces the money supply. This action naturally pushes domestic interest rates higher as the cost of borrowing money increases significantly. Next, these higher interest rates make the nation's financial assets much more attractive to international investors. Everyone wants to earn a higher return on their investments, so they buy in. This massive influx of foreign investment creates a capital account surplus. Therefore, option E is our final winner. You totally nailed this tricky macroeconomics question. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Always trust given data and check steps.